Welcome back, guys. What's going on? Well, going through a little rut. So I was handed the keys to my new Ferrari and I busted a headlight out. So that's basically what happened with trading the past week. So it's like I was waiting for my money to clear, waiting days, the market's real hot. And then as soon as I get my money and it's, available, the market starts to cool off. But I'm still trying to force things. And all of a sudden I'm able to trade without any day trade limit. It's a new broker, CMEG. And so I transferred my money offshore. I'm finally able to trade. And I just blow it, guys. I lost my head. I was sitting there waiting around for days, not able to trade, and then I finally did, and it didn't go so good. I had a pretty bad red day, my first day. And that sucks, especially I have to come and say on camera too, But I gotta be real with myself, and that's what this is all about. Anyone who cares, can respect it. So yeah, going forward, I know what I did wrong, guys. Like, I'm really happy about this broker. I'm excited for the future. Like, I have a solid plan and I can see the light, but I have to conquer myself now more than ever and exercise discipline more than ever. Because it's funny, because it's like with trading, it's almost like real life too. It's like you have so many options, it can be a problem. Like when you have so much freedom, it could be a problem. When you have so much power, it could be a problem. And with this broker, it really is kind of like a hidden gem for people like me that have dialed in with their trading that don't have larger accounts, because you can trade endlessly on this broker. But see, the problem was the market was cold. I haven't been able to trade or make money for a week, so I just started farming the market, just taking trades. And I didn't follow my strategy. I had the first bad day trade. I lost a couple hundred very quickly, and it just spiraled downhill from there. There's a thing called revenge trading, and that was definitely where I was at. I waited all week. I was so antsy to trade, and then all of a sudden I finally was able to again, and I blew my strategy. Rose, get down. Come down. And I blew my, I wasn't focused on what I know, like what's been working with me. And, I'm pretty disappointed. I'm frustrated, I'm not gonna lie. But, so I didn't really want to make a video, but I'm gonna keep rolling these videos out. You guys are gonna see the progress. I've recently joined the dark side of the stock market. So for years, I saw these stocks pump up and I saw them dump down. And I made a little bit of money on the pumps, but I also lost my ass and got burnt on many, many pumps. And continue to this day. So the beautiful thing about it is there's a whole other side of trading that most people don't get into because of the risks and the fees and the extra, hurdles that you have to climb through. But the reality is that I like to short stocks. I like to short these pump and dumps. I have a scanner set up, I've been watching this for years, and this is just what I've seen. I've always said in the past, if I could just short these stocks, it'd be a dream. Because I wake up and see all these stocks pump up first thing in the morning, and 9 times out of 10, they're gonna come back almost to where they started. So, my strategy is to short these morning pumps. And that's what I'm gonna stick to. Now that I can trade unlimitedly, I did some research on the fees, and I did like a little trial run Thursday and Friday with my trading. And I did get eaten up on some fees, but the fees are only for stocks under $1 on CMEG. So as long as you're trading stocks over $1, you're good. I did already accrue several $100s in fees through them, but I traded a shit ton, so it makes sense. And I kind of know what I need to do and like how I need to trade now. The shorting is a little pricey. You pay like $25 or $30 to short most stocks, no matter what you're shorting. And then, you have other fees on top of that. But all in all, I'm throwing at least $1,000 in the trade. Those fees are not gonna matter. And anyone else that wants to follow along and learn about trading, You know, I recommend starting out with the main brokers. You know, spread your money out through a few of those before you transfer to this broker, because you know it's really like next level. You know, you have to wire money in and out Cayman Islands. You know, you're getting hit with like $60 just to get money into your account whenever you send it. You know, you're paying $250 a month in platform fees, which you get, you know, top of the line software. So if you're really about it and you're really on it, it's worth it. For me, it's gonna be worth it. And you know, it takes several days for money to transfer in and out. It's not like next day or instant, like, you know, with other brokers. So, you know, there are drawbacks, but you know, if you have a strategy and you really optimize, you know, the sky's the limit. And yeah, you know, like I said, I waited all week for my custom car to ship to me. It finally showed up, and you know, I didn't even know how to drive the damn thing. That's what happened, guys. I haven't been able to trade freely like this in years. So I've just been sitting here with my dick in my hand waiting on these little trades, and all of a sudden I can make all these trades, and I just, you know, I went wild. So Friday, I started off the day bad, making more trades, and I just said, you know what, let me just stop. So tomorrow's a new day, guys. So you guys, I'm not gonna cut it too long. Just an update on the offshore broker and my trading. Very excited for this future and this new strategy. I'm gonna start sharing it with you guys, but I gotta take care of myself first. So, you know, the trading is gonna continue, the other content's gonna continue. But, you know, a part of my channel is going to be me talking about my trade, my profession, my craft. You know, this is what I do. It's what I've been doing. And I've been changing my strategy up lately. And I'm very, you know, I feel like I'm right here. Finally found a really good edge. I'm able to teach it. You guys are going to see me firsthand. You know, I'm not sitting here claiming that I'm some guru or some expert. But I've been doing this for quite some time, and I've been in the battlefield. So, you know, there's definitely something you can take from me. So anyway, just an update video, guys. God bless all, and take care. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Have a great week.